Zone 1 for North Central Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Hudson County in northwestern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, north central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8 p.m. At 7 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Sandy Hook to Brownville to Clover Hill, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. This line of storms had a history of producing wind damage across portions of eastern Pennsylvania and northern New Jersey. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, was not indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Major damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Trenton, New Brunswick, Fort Amboy, Long Branch, Asbury Park, Somerville, Sandy Hook, Somerset, Edison, Lakewood, Middletown, Old Bridge, Howell, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Marlboro, and Alabama. This includes the following highways: Interstate 7 and 12. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 17 and 18. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 34. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 57 and 76. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 17. The Garden State Parkway between mile markers 94 and 131. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms.